Dear Browser versus Comet. Which AI browser is better? Choosing the right browser can completely change how you experience the web without compromising on performance. Let's look at both options briefly. Dear Browser and Comet are two innovative AI browsers designed to enhance your online experience. The core difference lies in their unique features. Dear focuses on user privacy and customization, while Comet emphasizes speed and integration with AI tools. Dear Browser is a privacy-focused web browser that utilizes AI to enhance user experience. It offers advanced customization options, allowing users to tailor their browsing environment. Dear's strengths include a robust set of privacy features such as ad blocking, tracking prevention, and a built-in VPN. These features ensure that your data remains secure while you browse. However, some users may find the extensive customization options overwhelming. Ideal users for Dear Browser include those who prioritize security and want a personalized browsing experience. Comet is an AI-enhanced browser designed for speed and efficiency. It integrates seamlessly with various AI tools, making it a great choice for productivity. Comet's strengths lie in its fast loading times and intuitive user interface, which allows for quick access to features. While it lacks the extensive privacy features of Dear, it compensates with a focus on streamlining workflows. Users who benefit most from Comet are those looking for a fast and efficient browsing experience, particularly in professional or academic settings. When comparing Dear Browser and Comet, consider your primary needs. For instance, if you value privacy and customization, Dear Browser excels with its robust security measures and personalized settings. However, if speed and integration with AI tools are your priorities, Comet stands out with its efficient performance and user-friendly interface. In practical terms, a user working on sensitive projects might find Dear more beneficial, while someone needing quick access to research tools may prefer Comet. Weighing these trade-offs can guide your decision. If privacy and customization are your top priorities, Dear Browser is the ideal choice for you. For those seeking speed and seamless integration with AI tools, Comet is the better option. Choose the browser that aligns with your needs and enjoy an enhanced browsing experience.